And Jesus today gives all of us an assurance that the Holy Spirit will be there. Jesus will send the Spirit to guide us and, most importantly, to remind us of the teachings of Christ. There is yet another incident or a story of a pianist who was known for her wonderful music. And after a few years, she contracted Alzheimer's. Though she was not able to remember other things in her life, but the moment she heard any song, especially the lullaby that she'd been hearing right from her childhood, immediately she was able to play that piece of music on her piano. And my dear friends, this story tells us that though she may have lost touch of things in reality, but the core was still there. Sometimes we see in our lives, when we don't use certain things, there's a layer of dust that accumulates. And therefore, when Jesus says that He will send the Holy Spirit to remind us, He tells us that the Spirit will guide us, will remind us of the teachings of Jesus. In simple words, it will remove that dust that has accumulated over us. All of us are good, but over the course of time, we tend to drift away from the Lord. And therefore today Jesus assures us He is there and He will always guide us.